Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace this filter, water filter. This is a drinking water filter. It's a Doulton. Okay, this is very nice water filter because it comes with a ceramic water filter candle. Doulton. Okay, always remember, always check the original. Comes with the box with the seal. I opened it already, guys. Okay, because this is my first time to do this. Then first I check the manual first. Okay, so that we know what to do. Okay, so I removed this one already. This one is connected to here. The water flows here, going here, then to the filter. Later on I will show you the filter. So I cleaned it already. I clean it all, everything on here. And this is the box of the filter. Then it comes with this. This is the ceramic water filter candle of Doulton. Okay, as you can see, guys, you can hear the sound. It's a ceramic, so the system or the process, the water is going inside. Okay, the tap water will go inside, and then it will filter and it will goes out here. Then the water will, this one will be ready for drinking or cooking or everything. Clean water, very clean. Imagine this one. This is the filter. Okay. So first we need to wash the filter because it has some powder like that, because it's a ceramic. Put a little, can you see it? Yeah, cannot see it. Water. We will move a little bit. Yep. Then, so first we need to put a little water inside to remove some of the powder. So you can see there's water coming out. Okay. In this filter, it comes with a rubber. This rubber is very important, guys. So always check the one that you buy in the box, that this one is together. This one we need to put it here. It's very tight. You need to twist it if you want. So this one is done. After that, we need this is the casing. We need to put this one. Okay, made in England. Also the casing and the filter must it's a complete package. But the filter, you can buy this one from any hardware stores or in household materials. You can buy this one. Usually for best result, you can change this one after 6 months. Every 6 months. That's the best way to use it. Okay, so remember guys, check the rubber. There's a rubber here. Press it. Then we will twist. Put this one. We will not this one. Screw it. This. Then you can feel if it's tight or not. Okay. Hope it will work. Again. Then this is the casing. We need to put another rubber again. Always remember, always check the rubbers to prevent from any leakage. Okay? To prevent any leak. As you can see, I have to put this one here. Wait, I saw some dirt. There you go. You know that this filter, it creates some it's like alkaline inside because of the filter, because of the content of the ceramic filter. It creates an alkaline inside, so it reduces the acid of the water, so it's good, very good for the health. Okay, so as you can see, this one like this, then we need to twist it. The nuts. It's a little tight. Yeah, it must be tight. Here you go. Yeah, we need to lock this one. So this one. Not that too tight, just the best you can. Sadik, شوفي شريد دقيقة سوي شوف advertisement. Kasi taling na parang ket badal filter ha. Ayun.
Company Sodino Lakovic. Ita company Sodino Lakovic.
Bade mo ginata company show. Bade masyaallah kala sana jik puluh na ng tasawi advertisement. It's that. Okay, back to our project. So we tighten this up. Alright, then we will lock it here. Okay, then we need to connect this water supply. Water supply comes there. Advertisement again. How many minutes this one? Okay. I need to move fast right now, so Kalyado mapimsik ka. Sa nadajawal, anarki bus. Mapimsik. Wow. Okay, so this one we will lock it. Screw the water supply. Then after the installation, guys, we need to remove some water. Okay, as you can see, we'll open this one. I can see some leak over here. There's a leak, so we need to fix it. Fix the leak. Okay, so that's it. I fixed the leak already. Then we need to remove some excess water from the filter to clean it up. As you can see, guys, we will open it. There we go. There you go. So this water, we need to drain this one for more, for like 20 minutes, like that. Drain it. The water there. To remove the excess powder, because this is a ceramic. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Then the water will come, it will filter, then it will create some micro bacterials and everything to create some alkaline or like that, to make the water more healthier and safer to drink. Okay, so that's it. So that's it, guys. That's it, how you replace and put the filter of this Doulton drinking water filter with the ceramic filter candle. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you learned some informations about this filter. You should try it. This is from England and it's good. So bye, guys, see you again for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button all to notify for more videos, upcoming videos. So bye, guys, thank you for watching. Ciao.